Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss other string operations. Let's learn some useful functions of string library. So, first we have to import the string library function, import string. After that, first function is convert first character to uppercase. So we have to initialize first string s is equal to hello everyone. Next, to convert first character to uppercase, str dot capitalize. You have to pass the parameter s. First letter is capital. Next one, cap word. Cap word is the string method. So you have to use string full string. It's not str method. Capitalize all words in string. We are using the cap word. Next one, uppercase. See the output. The lower case method or case fold method return the string in lower case. Uppercase returns the string in uppercase. Next, replace. Replace, see the string value is s, first parameter and second parameters. Replace string with another value. See the output. My hello everyone string 1 I am replacing with another string weavers. Next one, center. 30 is the length of character. It prints the sentence taking up the space of 30 characters with the sentence in the middle. Next one, 50 characters. Hello everyone. Next, using the letter 0 as the padding character. Next, count. Returns the number of times 0 value is appeared in the string 2 times. In the find, returns where in the character comma in string. Character place value of the comma, 5th place. Comma is in 5th place. Next one, so here all these are string operations. Join. Next one, join. One list 1 2 3 4 any number, how many number if you want you can give. I am creating one list and assigning s to dash, double quotes you have to give. Then I am joining both the string list and s. S dot join parameter list. Our output is 1 after s string to s string. Suppose we remove this dash, just you pass the open and close quotes. After that we are getting the output no space between 1 2 3. Next one is strip. Strip is the method removes any white spaces from the beginning or the end. So I am initializing the string by giving the space beginning and end. After executing strip method, parameter s, my output is removing the white spaces from the beginning or the end. Next string method is format. The format method takes unlimited number of arguments and are placed into the respective placeholder. See the example: quantity 3, price 300, my order. I want here first open and close flower bracket, place holder. Print my order. Format string function, this one format. Parameter you have to pass quantity and price. See this. Format method takes unlimited number of arguments and are placed into the respective placeholder. You can use index number also. You can use index number 0, 1, anything. Just I am see the example. 1 index number and 0. See, 1 index number is 300, 0 index number is 3. Next one, text. The escape character allows you to use double quotes when you normally would not be allowed. See the example. My string value is thank you / escape character and quotes, double quotes. Again, after viewers, escape character, double quotes. Now I am printing the text string. See the output. My all viewers in double quotes. So, thank you everyone.